Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start RDBMS. In this video, I want to demonstrate you what is RDBMS. Okay? Today we are going to discuss about RDBMS introduction or introduction to RDBMS. Right. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay? The full form of RDBMS is Relational Database Management System. Okay? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Right. What is Relational Database Management System? Relational Database Management System is a database management system. Okay? Relational Database Management System is a database management system. That is based on relational model. Okay, relational database management system is a database management system that is based on relational model. Right. First, we'll see what is database management system. In short, we can call it as DBMS. Okay, the short form of database management system is DBMS. Right. What is DBMS? DBMS is a software. DBMS is a software. It is used to store, manage, access the data from database. Okay? DBMS is a software. it is used to store, manage, to access the data from database. Okay, so DBMS is used to store the data, manage the data, and to access the data from database. Okay, so clear? DBMS is a software. It is used to store the data, store, manage, and access the data from database. Right. Here, what is database? So before going to discuss about what is database, here I will give you some examples of DBMS softwares. So what are the DBMS softwares? Fox Pro, DBase, MS Access. Once again, I am repeating: Fox Pro, DBase, MS Access. So these are the examples of DBMS softwares, or so examples for DBMS softwares, all this. Okay, right. So now we'll see what is database. So database is the base. It is the base or layer to store the data. So database is used to store the data. Say suppose if I am installing Oracle or Oracle software in my system. If I am installing Oracle software in my system, then automatically some place created in my hard disk. So clear? So that place is known as database. That place is called what? Database. Okay. If I am installing Oracle or Oracle software in my system, then automatically some place created in a disk. So that place is called as database. Okay. What is database? Database is a place. Database is a place to store the data. Okay, right. So that is about database. So here RDBMS supports, or RDBMS follows all the features of DBMS. RDBMS follows all the features or concepts of DBMS with relational data model concept. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss in detail about relational with examples. Okay, right. So is it clear for all of you? DBMS, database. Right. Next, relational model. What is relational model? Relational model was introduced by E.F. Carter. Okay, relational model was introduced by E.F. Carter. E.F. full form Edgar Frank Carter. Okay, relational model was introduced by E.F. Carter. So scientist in IBM Corporation. E.F. Carter is scientist in IBM Corporation. Okay, IBM. What is the full form of IBM? International Business Machines. Okay, so EF Cod is a mathematician, right? Relational data model was introduced by EF Cod. Here 12 Cod rules, 12 rules are introduced by EF Cod. 12 rules are introduced by EF Cod so that all the relational databases should follow. Okay, Cod introduced how many rules? 12 rules. These rules are called Cod rules. 12 rules introduced by EF Cod so that all the relational databases should follow. So what are the relational databases? Powerful examples of standard relational databases are Oracle or Oracle SQL Server, okay, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, IBM DB2, right? Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Ingress, Informix, Sybase, Unify. So all these are what? Relational databases. All these are relational databases, right? So here relational model was introduced by EF Cod. 12 rules are introduced by EF Cod so that all the relational databases should follow these rules. Okay, right. Next, in this model, means in relational data model, the data will be stored in the form of tables. In relational data model, data will be stored in the form of tables. Okay. So DBMS, just before I said, DBMS is used to store, manage, to access the data from database. In DBMS, the data will be stored in the form of tables. In DBMS, data will be stored in the form of tables. In RDBMS, data stores in the form of related tables. Right? What is a table? What is a table? Here I will write definition of table. Table is a collection of data. Table is a collection of data which is organized in terms of rows and columns. Right. So what is a table? Table is a collection of data which is organized in terms of rows and columns. Okay. table is the combination or collection of rows and columns. Every table will have two dimensions. Every table will have two dimensions. What are they? Rows and columns. Okay. So clear? In relational data model, the data will be stored in the form of tables. What is a table? Table is a collection of data which is organized in terms of rows and columns. Table is the combination or collection of rows and columns. Yes, so this is a row. Okay, first row, second row, third row, all these are what? Rows. Next, column. Okay, column. Okay, right. Next, in DBMS, a table is known as relation. In DBMS, table is known as relation and row is known as tuple. Row or tuple. So clear? Rows are the records. Okay? Row or tuple or record. Next, columns are the fields. Okay? Column, field or attributes. Okay? Next, here data independency will be there in this model. Okay? Here data independence will be there in the relational model. What is data independence? Each value in the table is an independent value. Okay, so data independence means each value in the table. Okay, each value in the table is an independent value. If any value is modified or deleted, then there is no effect the remaining values in the table. Okay, if we delete any value is deleted or modified, then it does not affect the remaining values in the table. Okay, so data independency will be there in this model. Okay, so examples: SQL Server, Oracle, all these are examples of relational model. Relational model example softwares: SQL Server, Oracle. Okay, so that's all now. In this video or in this session, I covered what is RDBMS, what is DBMS, next what is relational model, and what is table. Okay, thank you for watching.